In this video, I will tell you how to fix McAfee app keeps crashing problem. So it is easy and simple. So please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on McAfee app, then tap on app info, tap on storage usage, and here clear cache. Now clear data and OK. Now close this app and go to Google Play Store if you are using Android and App Store if you are using iOS, and tap on search option here. Now tap on search bar and search for McAfee. Now tap on here and here you will see update button option. So simply tap on this to update the app to the latest version. This will fix the issue of keeps crashing the app. So hope you will like this video. Thanks.